What's up, my stylish people? Welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a while since you guys seen me do my natural hair. Since I've been doing so many wig videos, I have been slacking on my natural hair. But I said it's 2024 and I'm about to start focusing back on my natural hair, trying to grow my natural hair out because my natural hair can be, lengthy. So I've already shampooed, conditioned my hair. So I'm basically just going to do like 1 to 2 passes to get my hair pressed out because we're going to have to clip these ends. We're going to have to do a full 1-2 taking care of this hair. And my main goal this year is, well, one of my main goals this year is to take care of my natural hair because why not, I'm not touching it. I'm not trying to do too much with it like that. But because you guys already know I wear wigs all the time. So I just don't want to forget about my natural state, the natural care for my hair. Because like I said, I know my natural hair can grow. But it's very fine. If y'all been following me for a while, you already know. I've talked about my hair and showed my natural hair so many times. It's just very fine and it sheds a lot. So I'm just going to trim about 1.5 inches off. Not too much because you just really hate cutting your hair sometimes, but I just did a little something. This is gonna help it, y'all. Y'all see how bad these ends are? Just imagine if I would constantly keep doing this. My natural hair is going to continue to grow. So I'm going to be doing that on my channel, just showing you guys how I care for my natural hair. We're going to watch my natural hair grow simply because I'm going to care for it. I'm going to keep these ends clipped. And I'm going to just do what I got to do for my natural hair. If that's something you guys might be interested in, don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos with your natural hair. So y'all, like I said, I wear wigs all the time, so I got to do better. So once I, I'm going to make sure I got majority of the dead ends. I really can't see for real, so I'm really struggling doing this. And I kind of got to go at the same time, but I didn't know what type of style I was going to do. I know I didn't want it to just hang straight down, so I decided to do a half up, half down. I'm using some Dark and Lovely Silk and Shine. I think it's oil something like that. So I decided to throw some curls. So I'm using my thermal red light flat irons. These flat irons from Amazon. They're on my storefront down in the description. So make sure you guys check that out. So I'm just going to do a light curl. Y'all can literally see the difference in my hair from when I first initially started. Those ends, once you clip those ends, it just does so much for your hair. So it didn't take me long at all, and I was just really pleased how my hair pretty much turned out because like I said, I've literally neglected my natural hair, and I ain't trying to do that. I'm trying to love on my hair more, love on myself more, and just do things like that. So I'm just going to, y'all see, I literally did 2 curls on the front too, and I'm going to slick it, do my little baby hair, a little something, not too much, because the wigs be kind of damaging a little bit, just a little bit, not too much. But I'm just going to do top part, little bun. I look like a kid, but once I get dressed and put my makeup on, I ain't gonna look like no kid no more. Y'all gonna see. But I'm gonna do my little baby hairs, comb it out. And that's pretty much it for this video. Let me know down below if you enjoyed this and if you want to see more. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Love you. See you guys in the next one. Bye.